So as you heard from the beginning, we're making jerk chicken and jollof rice. So right here the chicken is already washed and now I'm about to season it. So we're using Sazon Complete. I think that's what it is called. Sazon Complete. I'm using this jerk seasoning that I got from the store. I don't have like regular pepper, so I have to use the pepper flakes. So as I said, this is brand new. I just got it today. And this is what I'm gonna use. It's this jerk mix thing. So yeah, and then I have the wet jerk that I'm going to put on it shortly, so you'll see.
I did what I got one then kill Soboma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings did they swing like Django Lover. Feelings did they swing like Timbani at you.
No, this was what I was talking about before, the wet jerk seasoning. I feel like this gives the chicken most of its taste. I use this seasoning on everything. So stew chicken, whatever I'm seasoning, this goes on it. Now to get the chicken a little bit of color, I'm using browning, as you see. I'm just putting a little bit, not too much, because I don't want the chicken to be extra black, but just a little to give it its brown color. And now I'm just going to use my hand to rub up the seasoning, to get the seasoning under some of the skin of the chicken, because I didn't take the skin off. So I'm going to use the seasoning and put some underneath the skin. Might look messy, but I have to do what I got to do to get the seasoning all over the chicken.
Say she had bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band, no rubber band.
When seasoning the jerk chicken, you want to make sure that in every crevice and corner there is seasoning. You don't want to bite anywhere and there's no little seasoning. So even in the bony area right there, you need to push that seasoning in there, because when that chicken goes into the oven, because I'm not doing it on any grill, when the chicken goes into the oven, some of the seasoning are gonna like come off. So you have to put it seasoned everywhere. So this was what I was talking about. I don't have actual pepper, so I have pepper flakes. To give it the spice, I have to use the pepper flakes. And I put a little bit of cayenne and paprika there. I didn't show that, but yeah. I didn't want to use any baking sheet because I didn't want the chicken to get stuck to the baking sheet. So what I'm doing is greasing the pan so that the chicken don't get stuck to the pan either. I'll grease the pan and then put the chicken on it. I'll put the chicken in a certain way, and then probably like after 20 minutes I'll flip the chicken. So with the grease in the pan, flipping the chicken will be much easier. The chicken won't stick to the pan too much and the process will just go smoothly. No, these are the seasons that we're gonna put into the jollof rice. We have tomatoes, we have green and red bell pepper, we have jalapenos, and then we have some onions. So to put it into the blender, we're not gonna cut them too big or too small, but just at a decent size where it's gonna be able to blend properly. And I'm gonna probably blend for like a minute or so, just to get it really smooth so that it can put into the rice mixture.
can hear you silence. Turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Call my name. Fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
After putting everything into the blender, we're going to want to add just a little bit of water so that the blending process can go smoothly and it's not like stucking. So therefore, put in a little water in there, get it to blend properly. So we already chopped some big. Now we're gonna chop some thin, and we're gonna put this seasoning into the frying pot to just saute a little bit. We're gonna probably saute it for a minute or two, and then we're gonna put the blended mixture into the sauteed seasonings. Putting tomato paste into the mixture first. I think the tomato paste gives the jollof rice its color. I don't really know, and probably some of its taste. But I watched some YouTube videos before making mine, and I saw them putting tomato paste into the sauteed seasoning. I'm just doing the same thing. I've never tried jollof rice before, so this is my first time trying to make jollof rice and tasting jollof rice. So I'm just doing whatever the videos told me to do. Everything is coming together and the color is very rich. In one of the video I saw they put bay leaf into the pot. I'm not sure how much to put in it. I put quite a lot. But anyways, now when we're mixing, I started smelling the bay leaf a lot, so I don't know if I messed up here. But this is where I put the blending mixture into the pot. I had a whole lot of blending mixture, so I used probably like half of the blending mixture. I didn't use a whole lot because we weren't making like a big old pot, so we just used like a little half or so into the sauteed mixture. I was cooking for probably like 2 minutes. I was just propping all over the place. I got so much burn, but here I was putting salt. Well, somebody was helping me put salt into the pot, and because the thing was popping all over the place, so I was getting burned left, right, and center. And then put some all-purpose seasoning because we didn't have any stock or Maggi, so just put some all-purpose seasoning into it to give it its flavor. And now we're gonna wash the rice. We put the rice into the pot. I didn't show where we also added some water to the pot, but we did. I added water into the rice thing and then put the water into the pot, and we're just mixing it around. I don't know why I didn't record that, but we did that, you know? Yeah. This part, I was like, yeah, I feel like the jollof is gonna be jollofing, you know? I feel like it's gonna come together real good. But here I was making the jerk sauce. I use jerk seasoning with water and then some sugar. I think I put a little bit too much sugar, but hey, that's just me. And then I use ketchup. Hey, Jesus. I didn't have a lot of ketchup. I was just using the little that was in a bottle. And if you're like me, we're gonna get everything out. So I put the water also into that ketchup bottle and I mixed it out. And then I put some more browning because the chicken wasn't brown enough or black enough to the way that I would want it to be. So to give it its color, I'm gonna just add a little browning to the mixture so that when the chicken comes out, I can base it with this sauce. To be honest with you guys, we put a little bit too much water. Not even me, because Daniel was showing me what to do, and Daniel is Ghanaian. He told me to put more water, and he was just asking for more water, so I gave him more water. Then he put the whole entire thing, so now the rice is mushy because he put too much water, but it was still fine. It still tastes good regardless of being mushy. The texture was fine. Here I took the jerk chicken out. It may look weird to you guys, but hey, it was really good. I basted the chicken with the sauce that I was making earlier, and then I flipped it around, and we're gonna just put it back into the oven for probably like 20 more minutes or 10 more minutes, and then see how it comes out. And from there we'll know if we want to put it in for longer or just leave it out, you know? Yeah.
I did the good things you do, they make me know. Oh no, no. This standard is taking the whole of me for sure. Baby, come bulldozer. I want you make me there. Bulldozer. Girl, I want making you bulldozer. I feel like making you bulldozer. No, bulldozer. I want you make me there. Bulldozer. Girl, I want making you bulldozer. I feel like making you bulldozer.
Also, in one of the videos I saw them put like 3 butter thing on the top. I don't know what that's for. I'm just following what I saw people doing, and that's what I did, and go back the pot.
Food is ready, bro. I mean, no, I would take me out.
How's the food? How's the food cooking? You haven't even tried the chicken. I have. Shelby. Is the food good? Your rice.
That's for buy, the rest is for buy.
Rice.
In the white one.
You got me fucked up, nigga.
Bye. We have rice. Just a little bit. Yeah, I share his food.
And you?
Yeah.
Do I have to leave everything for me? I'll start from scratch and then.
It's still good, girl. It tastes like seasoned rice. You know how weird. That a good one?
Doesn't have any taste, bro. My food has no taste.
Why are you lying?
I'm just eating what I'm hungry. The cup is better than this. I know what I'm talking about. I'm being real, right? I know what I'm saying. When you cook this in Ghana, it's fire, trust me. It's nice, but then we didn't get the ingredients right.
Coffee. Is it nice? Is it good? Don't lie.
Is that what?
He's good.
We've done this. Yeah.
The fact that Daniel said the food didn't taste good, but he had 2 big old plates, is crazy. To me, I was enjoying it. It was really
But
good
it
to
should be
me.
made with rice. It should be made with rice, you know.
What?
I mean, a Jamaican food. It should be made with rice.
Rice and beans?
You have some food in Jamaica that you prepare with rice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so just mix it with rice.
You eat goat?
Goat? Goat meat? Yeah.
Where you try goat meat before?
One of the nicest meats in the world. Goat and then cow. It tastes really nice.
You eat goat?
Me?
You eat cat? Cat is nice, right?
You eat cat?
Yeah, that's nice.
Because you're champion. Eat cat, Shabby?
No.
What you eat?
Cow. Good. Cow. Cow.
What is cow?
That's the food that
You don't know cow?
You eat pig?
Oh, son, you don't know cow.
You eat pig, Shabby?
I just get moo here.
Beef.
Milk. Cow. The animal that gives milk. Milk.
Beef is a cow.
Beef. Beef. B-E-E. B-E-E.
Beef.
B-E-E-F.
Beef.
B-E-E. 2-E.
This. Is this? Yeah, that's cow. Beef. You think you're speaking Creole here? Beef.
Why is your head like that?
Let me show you cow.
So cow and beef is it?
Beef. What is beef?
Beef.
Show me cow.
Type in C-O-W.
This is cow. Yeah. Show her the cow.
My belly up, man. Ooh. Shelby.
Cow.
Go
This is a cow. It's black. It's black.